It's difficult for teens to find a job. Some teens may spend hours going from business to business asking if they are hiring. Others search website after website and yet find inaccurate or fake postings. I have a solution to these problems. Hi, I'm Marcus Mauricio, a full-stack website developer and sophomore at Crofton High School. Follow me as I guide you through my project and how I'll make a difference in my school community. First of all, the new solution. It's called Swift, and it's the new way for Crofton High School Cardinals to get involved in their community. Students can search for a variety of postings on Swift, from a fast food worker to a full-stack developer. All postings on Swift are categorized with the posting type, age ranges, format, and hundreds more. These tags ensure that the right postings are matched with the right students in order to help them find the right posting as soon as possible. And with Swift Smarts, students can find the right posting even faster. Swift Smarts adds helpful, distraction-free suggestions throughout Swift, from tag suggestions to how you discover postings. Swift Smarts unlocks the For You view. Here, students can use action buttons to dislike, save, share, and apply to postings. The For You view learns from every action taken while scrolling through it, even if the student simply taps on the posting. Swift allows students and organizations to get creative with their profile by changing their About section and uploading a profile and banner image. Students can also see analytics, personal information, saved postings, applications, and added interest all in their Swift profile. We've talked a lot about Swift for students, so let's take a step back and talk about Swift for organizations. As an organization, your homepage looks like this, with some quick at-a-glance analytics for your organization. By going to the postings view, you can see which of your postings are awaiting approval, active, rejected, or archived. These statuses can only be changed by Crofton High School, and it's important to know that students can only see postings that are active. If you have Swift Smarts enabled, you can also see similar postings added by other organizations at the bottom to inspire your posting creation. Swift simplifies applications by presenting a simple and organized layout when viewing applications. You can see the posting that was applied for, the user's profile, and the application status as a drop-down. If we expand the profile, we can see personal information the student may have added to the profile, like a preferred name or home address. I'll switch the status to accepted and press save. The application is now under accepted. Now, let's go to the school dashboard and see how Crofton High School approves postings. Let's click on the posting that's awaiting approval in the postings view. In the bottom left corner, we can see the current status of the posting is pending. We can click the green A to approve the posting and then save. If we scroll all the way down, we can see that the posting is now active and can be viewed by students. Now, let's talk accessibility. Swift is designed to be clean, consistent, and simple. And I was able to accomplish this by developing custom components without any templates. Swift is compatible with major web browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari, and it can be used on your desktop, laptop, or tablet. Moving on to Swift's technology stack. Swift's frontend and backend are coded in TypeScript, which allowed me to lay out a specific structure for things like postings and accounts in code. Swift's frontend uses the Next.js framework to decrease loading time using server-side rendering and optimizations. Additionally, Swift greatly relies on email as it's used to streamline accounts and notify users. I chose Mailgun to handle emails, providing a simple and secure email sending. All Swift user data is stored securely in MongoDB Atlas, and images users upload are stored in Google Cloud Storage and can only be accessed by authorized Swift users. GitHub Copilot, powered by generative AI, became essential for me during the development process, with code completion and helping me learn how to create complex features like SwiftSmarts. SwiftSmarts was the most difficult thing I developed so far within this project, requiring hours of research and development. But it's great because it doesn't send any data to any other third parties except for MongoDB Atlas for storing. SwiftSmarts uses Atlas Vector Search for all suggestions made on Swift. An open source large language model anonymously analyzes student and organization activity, as well as postings, to find the right postings for students. This model runs directly on Swift's backend. Most of the postings shown in this presentation came from a LinkedIn dataset downloaded from Kaggle and imported into Swift with the help of OpenAI's APIs. Swift also uses other industry standard services like GitHub, Vercel, Cloudflare, Jira, and more. During meetings where I presented Swift to Crofton High School students and staff members, they've made it clear how impressive and helpful Swift can be. One student even expressed that she would use Swift if it became more than an FBLA project. So that's Swift, the new way for Crofton High School students to get involved in their community. You can use the provided iPad and MacBook to try Swift during our Q&A session.